So if you're like me, you probably are trying to make a few New Year's resolutions. Maybe it's to lose some weight. Maybe it's to get out and get some more exercise. Maybe you're actually going to wear the glasses that your eye doctor tells you you need to wear, as opposed to just trying to pretend like they shouldn't have to be worn and that you don't really need glasses. Honestly, guys, I've kind of gotten used to squinting at things, so this right here, it's a little bit weird. One thing that I think a lot of us could probably do more in the new year is taking care of things on our cars that we know how to take care of or can figure out how to take care of. I'm not talking about like dropping the transmission. I have had car jobs that I have done in the past that I had messed up and it didn't blow up in my face right away, but eventually it did. There was one incident with a spark plug. You know, you don't need to hear that story. There are simple things that you can do on your own car that'll actually save you money in the long run. First thing that I'm gonna do this year is going to be the wiper blades on my cars. And that is something that they're easy to find. You can find them at Target, you can find them at Home Depot. If you come with me, I'm gonna show you how to change wiper blades and kind of give you some tips on when and where you should be doing that.
So when you're changing wiper blades, it is something you should do about every 6 to 12 months. Really, if you see streaks, you should probably change them, is usually a good sign. Most places that you can buy them at will have a guide to help you make sure you've got the right fit, and usually it's a book, sometimes it's a kiosk. Some places will even install them for you if you really don't feel like doing it, but they're not hard. Most of them are J-hooks or pins. All of my vehicles are J-hooks, and they're pretty easy. You just slide them off, put the new one on, slide it on until it clicks into place. And once you know how to do this, it's really helpful. You will never ever have to pay the markup that they would charge for wiper blades at the oil change place ever again. You're welcome, America.